Alright, here's the ground market. I'm gonna get sugarcane juice, $2 for 1 cup. And tomorrow I'm gonna go and get the same juice but from the local vendor who sell on the street. Okay, I'm going. And by the way, this is in ground market. You guys can pay cash or they can take ABA. So this is the type of payment ABA. You can install the app and put the money in there. Everything is so easy right now in Cambodia. They have everything. And this is not just only drink place. They have a lot of food section everywhere. Alright. I got. Nhưng miền hỏi. Ở đây chắc tức quanh nha.
Cái núi này là tắc sót đấy hả?
Tắc âm bờ. Cho mùi mà rẻ. Ấy bay cham ra rồi. Mình nhâm krem muốn, mình mới thọt krem tới bên này. Alright guys, we are going to get some sugarcane juice on the street. Let's see how much it will cost compared to the one we got from the ground market yesterday. Từ nè, từ thằng này. Đang muốn cái là vậy, đây là cái là vậy mình xin. Nó tầng tàu. Ê, không lo. Cái khmer. Chá? Cái con khmer ta. Con khmer. Chá. Không nhắm cái khmer, nó có khmer. Có khmer đây chứ. Chá, khmer ta. Ý, khỏi là bật mắt lắm mơ lên school mà. Với một cái bí bòn mà chui tinh quạt phong này ta đón phơi nó thật phơi chứ ôi luộc này tê nó tình nó mà ngay con đi chứ mình tha ai kia mà chui tinh không đang phơi chứ nó bằng snow á mà chui quạt từng phơi cô phèm tí con Cần giúp nhà sang xa we got 5, so this is 4 and over there is another one. And we're heading back home with 5 cups of sugarcane juice. Okay, in Cambodia, you gotta know where to go and get the best deal. You can tell the sugarcane juice from the lady who sell on the street way better on both quantity and quality. It cost me only 2,000 won, equal 50 cents per cup. So the total came up with $2.50 for 5 cups. The cup is bigger and I can see how she handled my drink, the way she doing it, and the place is clean enough. It's acceptable for me. Besides, I love to support local Khmer people. I really don't give a damn about fancy place. So if you visit Cambodia or any Southeast Asia, I would recommend you to support local vendors. That's all for today. I catch up with you guys on the next one. Oh, by the way, some part I speak Khmer, so I will subtitle it. Ciao. Thank you. Alright, here we go.